Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect our project to the database. So if you are on a Windows operating system, then you would need to install XAMPP, and it's the same for if you are using Mac. So let me run my Apache server and the SQL. So this is the XAMPP for Mac operating systems. And inside my XAMPP, I'm gonna turn on my Apache and my SQL server. So let's go to manage servers and let's run the Apache server and the MySQL database. It will start in a few seconds. So as you guys can see, it is running. Now let's go to the phpMyAdmin route. I don't need Safari, so phpMyAdmin, and from here I already have created a database called tutorials, but I will delete this and I will make another database just to show you guys. So drop the database, yes. Now as you can see, I don't have another database, so let's name this database YouTube and create. I would also need a table, so let's just say my table's name would be tutorials, and it would also have 4 columns. I would name the first column as ID, name, email, and address, and I will make the ID nullable, also a primary key. Name should be varchar, email should be also varchar, address should be also varchar. So I'm gonna specify the length 255, 255, 255. Now let's save this. There we go. If I go to browse, so ID, name, email, and address, these are the 4 columns that we just created. Now let's go back to our code inside the .env file, and inside the database name, let's give it the database name that we created. So it was called YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, YouTube with a capital U. And yeah, there we go. So now we are connected to the database, and from here, so now we are successfully connected to our database. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to perform CRUD, which is create, delete, and update. So stay tuned for that, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I'd be happy to help you guys.